Hey guys, it's me, Pineapple Vegan, aka Brittany. It's me, Brittany, aka Pineapple Vegan, and welcome back to my channel. As you guys can see, I just have a few simple ingredients. We are making hummus. I know hummus. Like what? Hummus?
Hummus!
Oh. Yeah. So before I went vegan, I would hear about hummus and oh, I don't like that. It was so gross. I'd never had it. It's just like ground up garbanzo beans or chickpeas. So that's all you'll need basically to make hummus. And you can just like flavor it however you want, but let me just tell you the ingredients. Cooked garbanzo beans or chickpeas. I cook them with 1 teaspoon of fresh minced garlic, okay? Make sure that you drain and rinse them really well. Do not throw the liquid away. That's called aquafaba and it is very good. I use it as an egg replacement in some of my recipes. So yes, definitely keep that aquafaba. So with the garbanzo beans, you'll also need some nooch, which is nutritional yeast, taco seasoning. This is my own taco seasoning that I mixed up myself. It's my own recipe. You can use any taco seasoning you want. Fresh black pepper, a little bit of pink Himalayan sea salt, salsa if you choose, and I'm gonna use for my oil, avocado oil. You can use any type of oil you want. Olive oil, maybe grapeseed oil. I wouldn't use canola or vegetable. It's just, ugh. So let's go ahead and get started. So I have my little Hamilton Beach food processor. Don't knock it because it gets the job done. And so I'm gonna scoop. I'm gonna put my garbanzo beans in here. And then we're gonna get our oil, my avocado oil. I'm just gonna put a drizzle in there. 1 tablespoon of nooch. Cracked black pepper. My taco seasoning that I made, and then a little bit of salt. And then we're gonna just blend it up or process it up. So you have to add the oil to your preferred consistency. I'm gonna add a little bit of vegetable broth. I don't want to add too much oil. Almost there. Ooh, yes, pineapple. You did that, girl. I legit didn't do nothing. This is so easy. I did that. I cooked that hummus. It smells just like tacos. And it's a good, healthy snack. Kids love it. You can make different flavors or just plain. If you're a plain Jane, just plain. And so all I'm gonna do is move it around and I'm gonna make a little hole in the center. So what we're gonna do is take our salsa, and you can use any salsa that you want. And that little hole that we have right there, all you're gonna do is add your salsa into that hole. And there you go. You see that? Taco inspired hummus. Okay, let's try it, you guys. So I have these pretzel chips that I buy for my boys. Oh my God. It's so good. It's bomb. I'm done. Yes, this is really good, y'all. I'm dead at. Please make this, I promise you. And if you're one of those people where you don't like garbanzo beans or chickpeas and you've never had them, start with this. Just start with this hummus. I swear, just do it. You're gonna love it, I promise. You will love it. And when you love it, you're gonna say, Brittany, you told me I was gonna love it. And hey, guess what? I did. But guys, yes. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. If you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Please don't be watching for free. All right, guys, so that's it for this homemade hummus. And I'm about to kill it. I'ma kill it, I'ma kill it, I'ma kill it, I'ma kill it. My kids ain't gonna get none because I'ma kill it, I'ma kill it, Sorry. All right, bye you guys. vegan.com.